Hello, I'm Chris. Today I'm taking on one of the steepest hills in the area to show you how to do a series of hill starts. No stalling, no delays, no rollbacks, using both the parking brake and without. Hill starts are easier with the parking brake as it allows you to release the foot brake and use the gas pedal straight away. Plus you can feel when you've got the biting point. It's definitely recommended on steep hills. But I know that not everyone likes using the parking brake, so I'll show you how to do quick hill starts without it later. Here's how to do a hill start with the parking brake. Press the clutch, select first gear. Because it's a steep hill, lightly press the gas to get the revs up to about 2. This will help the car not stall. Now keep your right foot still and raise the clutch to the biting point. You know when you've got it as the front of the car raises a little and the engine sound changes slightly. Make sure it's safe, signal if needed, and release the parking brake. Hold the clutch still, a little more gas as the car starts to move. After about 3 seconds, gently raise the clutch with more gas. Now you might think that using the parking brake takes ages, and there might be cars behind you in a hurry. So let me demonstrate how you can do a hill start quickly with the parking brake. I'm in first gear. Gas, biting point, release the parking brake, clutch still, more gas, and gently raise the clutch. I'll do another one. Gas, biting point, clutch still, more gas. Don't release the clutch too soon, and make sure you give it enough gas. Bear in mind, to be good at this takes practice and experience. Using the parking brake shouldn't delay you. It's like a third foot. Instead of using the foot brake to hold the car, you're just using a parking brake, so don't be afraid to use the parking brake when needed. I'll do one more. Gas, biting point, release the parking brake, clutch still, slightly more gas as the car moves, then gently release the clutch. Don't release the clutch too soon or the car might stall. Let's move on and try some hill starts without the parking brake. This is a bit harder because you'll need to release the foot brake, press the gas, then get the biting point before it rolls back. Make sure you're confident where the biting point is before trying this, as you'll need to find it quite fast before the car rolls back. Some cars have hill start assist or hill assist, which is a feature that prevents the car rolling back when you come off the foot brake, sometimes for about 3 seconds. This car has it, and I can't turn it off, but I won't need it because I'm going to be quick with my feet so that the car won't even have a chance to try and roll back. You need to be fast with your feet and confident where the biting point is. Gas, biting point, clutch steady, more gas, gently raise the clutch after about 3 seconds. I'll do another one. Pressing the gas and getting the revs up to about 2 on this steep hill helps the car not stall, and finding the biting point quickly makes the car go forward. There's a car approaching behind, so I'll just pull up on the left and let them pass. If you're too slow finding the biting point, then the car will roll back, unless you have hill assist of course. If you get the biting point and the car moves off too slowly, then slightly raise the clutch and hold it for about 3 seconds. Press the gas before biting point to help it not stall. Is it possible to do a hill start without any gas? Yes, but the car struggles, and there's more chance of stalling. Another way I've seen people do hill starts is getting the biting point with the foot brake still on. This works in some cars, especially diesels, but it's so much easier to stall in a petrol car like the one I'm driving. Sometimes you'll get away with it, but it's not a reliable technique that will work in every car. This technique works better when the hill isn't as steep, but I still wouldn't recommend it. Watch this video next if you're unsure whether to press the brake or clutch first when stopping. Thanks a lot for watching, please like and subscribe, and bye for now.